Who you like, Lily? Elmo stole your cookies and he owe you some money. What you gonna do to him? Get him, Lee. He knocked you on your butt. Beat him up. Get him, man. Let him have it. What about this Elmo? What about that one? He stole your cookies too. Man, look. He gave you a spanking. What you gonna do to him? What you gonna do to him? Oh, really? You gonna love one Elmo and beat on the other? I don't think that's fair. Nope. Give me that. See that? Get him, Lee. Beat him up. Stole your cookies. Oh, that's the one you really want to get to, huh? Oh, look, he tried to trip you. Lily, look, Elmo tried to trip you. Man, come here. He tried to trip you. Come get him. He tried to beat you up. Okay, man, that's enough. No more beat up. No more. Lily. He ain't had enough, huh?